The work we do here is basically, we started off, we would only do 70s and back. And we did a few restorations, but mostly we done custom builds from the ground up, which was what I really had intentions to do anyway, because the restoration is a little bit, it's common. It looks just like everybody else's, where the ones that I wanted to do would be specific to us, and it would be completely different. We never build one car the same. We always build them all a little bit different every time we build a car. How I got introduced to DeBeer was Rick, who works for Buford in Kentucky, in Paducah, Kentucky. I told him that I was really looking for a top quality paint, and he said, hey, I have that. And so we made some contact with him. He brought some samples down, and we played with it, fell in love with it. All the painters loved it, and so it worked out just fabulous.
Yeah, the DeBeer 900 water was a great fit here at Legens over the solvent, just because I knew he wanted to stand apart against the competition. He wanted a premium product that was also OE approved, and DeBeer 900 water fits that mold. And we got his painters some product and some clear to try out, and they fell in love with it. And after that, we got the commitment to put the system in.
Spraying water is something that we have been doing for 10 or 12 years, but we always stay ahead of the game. So like if they're spraying water in California, we're jumping on it right then before they even start making us do anything. We're ahead of the project. And I've always done paint that way. We've always stayed ahead of the game and stayed at the front of the paint process.
When the painters first sprayed the product, I started getting text messages popping up on my phone with pictures of how good the product looked. They couldn't believe the DOI of the clear and how the color match was phenomenal. And right after that, they were turned on by the product, and it was smooth sailing after that.
I really like the product. Sprays very well, lays great, blends awesome. I can't push that enough, how well it blends. Easy to mix, and just once you mix it, it's pretty much ready to go. You don't have to worry about it. I mean, one day you can spray it, next day you can spray it just the same. It's just easy product.
With new customers, after we get the commitment from the shop, we like to send a tech rep in for that initial install, and we help install the system and get the computer and everything set up. And then that tech rep stays with them for that week, make sure they're trained on the software to look up colors accurately, and also spraying the product, obviously.
The paint system for our process basically has to be perfect. I have customers that come in and say, hey, I don't really want a show car, but I cannot do that for you because it's going to be show condition. That's the only way we will do it.